Going to No Frills. Need to do a grocery for like 10 items after almost 35 minutes waiting. Oh no! So, let's go. No Frills is here. So, pero mayroong parking spot dito. So, dito lang tayo siguro magpo-park. Hopefully, hindi ko kinuha na nga. Let's do it real quick. Wee! What is that? So I thought I forgot the red card. This is the most important part. Kung mag-grocery kayo, kailangan mo ng red card to proceed with the order. Pero good thing we got it. Tayong natapos kasi kabisado na natin. Patay. Na. Welcome to Vancouver. Hindi na tayo nakapag-lunch. Kain na lang tayo ng burger on the way. Sometimes, nakadepende yan kung kabisado ng DoorDasher nyo yung supermarket. Hindi matatagalan yung grocery nyo. Mapapaaga yung arrival time. Hopefully, pagdating natin dun sa bahay ng customer, may extra parking.
Your destination is on the left.
So the customer said they're gonna meet us up at the front door. So hopefully nagantay sila.
Hi. Hi. You waiting for someone? Or?
Yeah, somebody's coming. Oh, is it for Michelle?
For Michelle.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
You too, thanks. Tapos na tayo sa third order natin. And we got $3 tips. So ayos na rin kaysa naman sa wala, no? Minutes after we drop off the second order, we gotta order 2 different places of orders, but it's for the one customer. Grocery items for one restaurant. It will take a while. Hopefully there's no traffic, but it's 3 p.m. So it's still early. We can still park on the side street. Sometimes when you're doing an order, most likely you need to cross the bridge, pick up the order, and cross another bridge to go back to the zone. Hopefully after this order, makabalik na tayo sa zone natin. Third order is $24 for 13 kilometers. As much as possible, I don't want to pick up orders or drop some order downtown Vancouver because the traffic is crazy. Kasi mga tanawin dito, yung mga bridges.
In 200 meters, turn right onto Robson Street.
Mga statue. Hopefully, mayroon tayong mapagparkan. Ay. Hindi na lang, may nakita tayong parking kasi mahirap dito. So, madami ditong good view. Nope. Good view. Oh. There's a kitty cat. Medyo nahirapan tayo sa grocery kasi hindi natin mahanap yung mga ice. So, kung ganyan, pag traffic, hindi maganda talaga dito mag-DoorDash.
Turn left onto Howe Street, British Columbia 99 South.
Pero pag kung ganyan lang din, okay nang matraffic dito. Mas maganda matraffic. Just kidding. Let's pick up our customer's second order. Kailangan mag-cross ng bridge ulit kasi yung isang order niya dapat pala sa kabila. It's too freaking hot. Hi, DoorDash pick up for Daniel?
For who, sir?
So kailangan na naman nating tumawid kasi order niya is balik sa zone, tas yung isa is doon sa downtown. It's a really nice weather today, so enjoy it, guys. We got our customers both orders, so tara, samahan niyo ko. Ito sabaw dito. Puno ng sibo.
British Columbia 99 East.
So unfortunately we cannot go straight because there's a rally happening and customers order is about to get melt. Jesus Christ, look at that rally. We need to take a different route due to the rally happening.
Left lane to continue on Georgia Viaduct.
So, this is my kitchen. Minsan dito ako nag-washroom. Ngayon, ano yan, mga storage. Diyan ko nilalagay mga damit ko. Pero, binenta ko na.
Turn left onto Princess Avenue. Your destination is on the right.
Finished dropping off our third order, $9 tip. It's not going too well. We need to go back to the zone.
Your destination is on the left.
I'll take out for Dave. DoorDash, Dave. For Dave.
Dave, yeah.
For Dave.
Yes.
Yeah, sorry it took so long.
No, that's all right. What happened? It's just.
Oh no, because there's like a rally or something happening on between downtown and Chinatown, so it was crazy.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, no worries. Have a good one. So 5 minutes after dropping off our fifth or sixth order, they're two different restaurants but on the same customer. So one of the customers' order will be about like 100 meters going that way on Carrisdale. DoorDash for Alexander. Alright. Alexander. Awesome. Thank you. KFC it is.
Turn right, then turn left.
Kulang sa fried chicken. KFC. Kulang sa pansit.
Dalawang beses na yan!
Shagaru.
Turn
Shagadi.
left, then your destination will be on the right.
Masisira ang
Left.
buhay mo.
Alexander. Hi, I got a DoorDash pickup for Kamesh. Got the order.
Your destination is on the right.
We're about to drop it off. There's my car.
100 meters, use the right two lanes to take the exit toward Richmond South Terminal. In 400 meters, turn right onto Granville Avenue West.
Tayo nagpark sa kabilang parking lot. Tayo ng customer is across the road. Hindi tayo pwede magpark doon kasi may nakaharang.
Granville Crossing Railway.
So from there all the way up to that other building, customer's navigation is right here.
Your destination is on the right.
So we're heading back to the same restaurant after delivering 2 orders. This is our third consecutive order, same restaurant. We need to cross the bridge. It's across the bridge going to Richmond. This one I accepted. It's too busy right now. So I think pangatlong balik na natin to sa bridge. Puro na lang bridge. Bright sun, good weather, 28 degree, no work, off work.
In 500 meters, sharp left.
Ah!
Sharp left, then your destination will be on the right.
Una, ikaw na tama. Is it for Grant?
It is, yes.
Yeah, here's your order.
Terrific. Thank
Yeah,
you.
No worries.
Have a good one.
So thank you. Bye. Another order. Solo pasta. Hi there. DoorDash for Loretta.
It's gonna take 5 minutes.
5 minutes. All right. 8 minutes after our last delivery, we got a new order which is solo pasta. We're just waiting for the order. 5 minutes to make the order.
Your destination is on the left.
We're heading towards vegan sushi.
Right there.
Uy, ganda dito pala.
100 meters, turn right onto West 33rd Avenue.
Last customer's location, it's 8 kilometers. Yeah. Finally, we finished. We earned $186.82. Despite the terrible deliveries, just glad that we bounced back. Anyways, ganyan ang buhay. Hindi laging masaya, hindi laging maganda. Sometimes may struggle, pero kaya-kayanin natin lahat, di ba? So I think that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll see you next time. Sabay-sabay tayo. Puppies! Down, down, now.
Bleh.